So good evening everyone. So today I came in again this is the delicious food I can say, and it is located in Airoli sector 3 opposite to Airoli railway station, Airoli West, and behind me you can see that aftertaste momos and more. So this will going to very excited because there are a lot of bunch of things are very good for a food. So let's come with me inside and I will show you more. So you can see bunch of people are eating their momos, and the name is Aftertaste Momos and More, and that is Airoli station, and exactly next to Airoli station you will find this shop. So here you can see a lot of bunch of menus are there, couple of many more. Oh my god, as they have written in their nameplate, so there are a couple of things, and this is their special combo. So today I'm going to try that one, and you will get that refreshments here. That is quite good, that kala khatta, lime iced tea and kokum sharbat. So I have given my order that aloo tikki and with 4 pieces of momos it will come, and that is something combo. So like they have added their in their menu, and this is a special one. So I haven't tried with burger with momos. So let's see how all the combo will look like. And if you don't know the guys, so before they have a like outside of that road, like that we call the name of Matka Chai. So their shop was there previously, but recently they have shifted here, and this is really very good. And for sitting areas are really highlighted, and outside also you can sit there. And backside of me you can see how they have did lighting of their after momos and all. So that is quite good. And their kitchen area, I saw their kitchen area, it was really very clean and hygienic, and lot of people were coming, and all the area is clean, and they are wiping after having your momos. The plates are that dirty plates, so they keep in the garbage, they throw in the garbage, and they wipe all the tables, chairs, like make sure you feel hygienic. So let's see my order, when my order will come. And so right now I can see a lot of crowd is coming, and so beside this shop, so there are a bunch of tea shops are there, like Matka Chai and Sutta Bar, Cutting Chai and all. So if you are coming, so must visit it after momos and many more, as like they have written, and I have seen their menus. So like this is my second time actually to exploring momos. First time I did exploring and Thane, and it was appetizing momos. If you have watched my videos previously, so this is my second time, and I haven't tried here momos. So let's see how the taste will come, and it's quite good actually. And because we have forgot, so my food has arrived, and I'm feeling that chutney sauces, and this is Szechuan chutney. I don't call it. Actually, I don't need the Szechuan chutney. Like next day, it gives so much problem. So I like this mayonnaise. Mayonnaise are good, and this is quite summer season. So in summer, we should have cold in our stomach. And Mumbai is great. Oh my God, it actually hits so much. And I don't know which chutney is this. I think this is tomato, ketchup. So ketchup one. momos. I don't like steam momos, and I'm a vegetarian, so I only ordered veg momos. So if you want non-veg, so they have a variety of non-veg or non-veg. So they told me that this one will be cheesy. So maybe this is, I think, because I can see that the tomato is there. Please, then I will know. With mayonnaise. Sorry guys, I don't like that taste. You know very well. In the summer, I can't have this taste. I can't. I think he has given me that this cheese inside, but I don't know why I'm not seeing cheese. Or maybe this will be vegetarian something, or the veggies are also there, because I can see all the veggies are here in this momo. So maybe this will be cheesy, or I will see that maybe I will ask him, or I will see that charcoal. Maybe this will be, I guess, vegetarian. But you can order any burger, any momos you according to your taste. What they will do, burger will be same as well. But you will have a lot of options to choose that which momos you like. If you like cheese balls, so you can add in this in your combos. It is not like that whatever they have. Posted, or they have mentioned in their menu, so you would like only that momos. It is not like that. According to you want peri-peri momos, or veggie momos, or achari momos, or their best seller is I think cheese balls. Yeah. So later I will try the cheese balls momos, then I will show you guys. And so you understood, like burger according to you, whatever momos you want, you would like to add, so you can add. People are here designing papers. It's so relaxing, so chilling. You can sit inside. Almost I finished my burger, and this is my last bite, a special bite for me. I will miss it. I will miss this burger. That crunchiness is little stuffy. And momos has been look at the shape. Small. And the finishing, the design. So in Maharashtra, people like modak like this too. When the Chaturthi comes, so people, so they add that sweet in that dough, and they like. So okay guys, I have asked that shopkeeper these momos I was eating. So that momos is cheesy burst momos. That it goes, it's #1 seller in his shop. How idiot I am, like I forgot. And I made order and I forgot to tell you guys that this is cheesy burst momos, and I forgot. So that combo is really good, and I like that cheese, but I think I mixed little bit cheese in it. I don't know, but I felt like I am having vegetable momo. Lot of veggies are there. Inside, lot of veggies are there. We'll try later. And mayonnaise. Let me. This is mayonnaise, and this is season one. Let them keep there. And this one I was talking about, like with burger you will get momos. This is quite something different I'm having today. Like really, see. Oh my god, cheese are there. Really, and this is aloo tikki and the tomato, onion, and this is fried. I don't know which momo he has given me. I told him, give me that your best, like people mostly eat that momo. So maybe this will be cheesy, I think. This is quite hot. So let me put some ketchup. Now I remember this food has arrived to me. That is experiment box. So like if you are giving order of experiment, so you will get something different kind of something special will come, like suppose pizza momos, or maybe they will put that maybe they will put that burger inside of momos. Like this is experiment box. So that actually that is a shopkeeper that very article. So look at this burger size. And this has costed me a meal. Can you guess how much price it has costed me? Oh my god. Here, love cheese, mayonnaise, and then aloo tikki. And that outside of this bread, they have added burger. Like you can see, it's something different. I'm having really. That aloo tikki, this aloo tikki is properly, and different kind of taste are coming. Like it's not that much of spicy, but taste is something different. Some coriander or chicken seeds, like they have added in that aloo tikki, and because it's hot, so it's giving that burger, it's giving burger so yummy. And it's that much of not cheesy. So you can have. And that bread is, it's very soft, crunchy, and then, not bread or crunchy, that bread is soft. Sorry, it's my mistake. That bread is soft, but that potato, this one, this aloo tikki is crunchy. Like, when I was eating food, it's crunchy. So due to that, it's coming, the taste is coming so flavorful. they will give me more kurkure, more that they will add that more kurkure. But what? It is less, but it's okay. It's crunchy, that's a problem. Like in my hands, kurkure stick. So much crunchy and crispy carrots. It's hot though. It's hot. I don't know hot. Like I can't eat it. I have to break all the momos and later I can eat. I'm breaking all the momos and I can eat. It's very hot. My hands. It's hot. Very hot. I know that inside the veggies, the cooked popcorn. This is very hot. It is not overcooked and this momo is also cooked properly. Like sometimes what happens, like that veggies they cook so much. And when I'm having it in my mouth, so it's delicious, but it's not that much of overcooked or boiled. No, right? No, not boiled. And then it happens by and I'm having only half a plate because I can't handle
लवकर येतो फिरता
Till then I will finish my momos and thank you for watching my video and follow me and like, share and subscribe and I will see you soon in my next video and that will be something again it will be again very surprising and definitely you guys will like my videos and until then take care and bye everyone. Have a great day. Bye everyone. Bye. I will enjoy my mother and cheese. I thought a lot of cheese will come with when I will break that momo, so like cheese was so I was thinking like this. I don't know like that. It will be normal, like I can feel not that much of cheese, but maybe I think he has melted properly. That's why. But I can taste like the cheese is there. So the one side burger and 4 piece of cheesy momo.
Fries का
And give all this. I finished my
मला गाडी 20-70
अरे गाली बोलते रे मी तुला नाही बोलत असं डायरेक्ट मग करताना आणि मी काय सांगू मग मी तुला बोलतो
फालतू बोलतोस ना
कसं तरी करा. घेऊन जा. आम्हाला सांगितलं ते.
म्हणजे ती आता नाही फिरायचं. तीन मंगळवार सिंगल इकडे ते
कुरकुरे मोमोज विथ
जीवन से प्लेट बना देंगे बोला.
हा जेवणमध्ये
कुरकुरे
काय की तर तुम्हाला try करू.
odd crunchiness
ते चाकू
in my hand.
इकडे इकडे बाळा
Kurkure momos I haven't tried. This is my first time and I think for kurkure momos, no, veggie momos, the filling is inside, that is 50 rupees. And for kurkure momos,
सॉस ती तुला पाहिजे.
kurkure momos, we have to pay extra 20 rupees. Yeah. Veggies are
देखी रे इथून बस इथं काय प्रॉब्लेम आहे अशी आम्ही इथून ये
all the vegetables. So I think I can see from my eyes the veggies are cabbage, onion, and coriander. And yeah, the most ingredients are garlic and green chili. It makes our food so delicious. It added, texture, added flavor in that food.
दिलंच ना
It's hard. It's good. And it's crunchy, crispy. When I had in my mouth, so like the feelings were blasting. Like all the veggies were come together and the kurkure momos were it's different.
मला खाण्याचं कसं केलं ना